Congratulations, you have a woman leader in your team, and she's among the 10% of Indian women professionals who make it to the top and stay on. I think the Women CXO program is a very, very powerful construct. I think as women become more and more senior, have many more and more eyes on them, and are given larger and larger mandates to perform on and excel on, they need three things to happen: great high quality peer group, a very strong personalized introspection, so to guide it in introspection through coaching, and then inspiring, stimulating conversations, concepts and knowledge coming to you from academics and practitioners. So the Women CXO program is open to obviously the senior most women leaders in India Inc. It's a program which is sponsored by companies, so I encourage CEOs, CHROs and members of the board to please get in touch with us so that you can nominate the senior most woman colleague in your company. We only have 35 spots for this high quality peer group.